I don't know what their tests are doing, but they must be doing a lot. All right, let's try day 20. Is the sleigh parked, ready, or flying? Why doesn't anyone know? Shouldn't you know? Oh, look at this. They're using phantom data, and they're not taking in a reference. Yeah, I always wondered that. Yeah, I'd seen phantom data before. It didn't occur to me. It didn't. I haven't internalized how to use it, but now this makes sense because you're just using it as phantom data. You don't actually have to specify the type. You can just say create the type that you need. Okay, that makes sense. Has something intense here. Let's see what our mission is. It's time to give Santa what he needs, a single status method that works in all states of the sleigh, empty, ready, and flying, returning the current state in a string. Okay, is that just implementing display for each one of these guys? Oh, no, not display, but returning. Find the status method. It should be callable on sleigh regardless of its state. The sleigh struct should have a trait bound and not just a generic T. Right, because what we want to do now, okay, let's copy paste this code here. We're going to create a pub trait status, which is status self returns a string. Oh, maybe a static stir. Right? Because it looks like it's just asserting these are equal. And then we want to say impl. Oh, and then here it's saying sleigh struct should have a trait bound, not just generic T. Like that. The trait bound empty status is not satisfied. So are we implementing it on these guys here? Impl status for empty. Empty. Oops, I forgot the type. Yeah. And now it's not complaining about empty. Okay, so that's all we have to do. Let's try macroing it because I need more macro practice. Macro rules. Bang. Sleigh status. No, like this. Then open paren. Dollar state. Ident. And then there's a stringify thing, right? So this would be state and then stringify state. Like that. And then I can say sleigh status bang empty. Oop, status. Oh, it worked. And I could do ready and flying. Oh, look at that. And then we could also do the generic thing, right? And I've already forgotten the syntax for that. Is it like this? Dollar, comma, star. Like that, and then like that. Wow, I'm just not getting this syntaxed. Am I? Let's go back and take a look again at what my solution was for 15. It's open paren dollar thing, which is what I have. One of these days I'm going to learn it. All right, and we'll make a plus. There's the arrow. Oh, I forgot this bit here. this bit goes like this, and then that closes that. There we go. Okay. And Rust's macro syntax is painful, isn't it? All right, so we did all those. It's a public for testing purposes in real world scenarios. It should be private. Okay. And then we can actually make this one line, ready, flying. Yeah. Okay, so let's grab all of that. And try to do it. Ooh, they all failed. Oops. Oh, it built, but I guess it doesn't work. So this needs to be on the sleigh. Oh, okay. That makes sense. So we don't want that. And then I guess what we can do is, can I impl generic? Impl sleigh, impl t status. Sleigh t. fn status. Self state status. Will that build? Oh, self. No method name stated for struct phantom data. Because that's the thing that has the state. Okay. I mean, we could match on the sleigh type. Match self. You can't match on the type, right? How do you get the type information from... I mean, I could say impl status for sleigh empty, right? And then just say fn status self static stir empty, right? I could do that. And that means we don't need these anymore. My status trait could be different. I mean, this, let's see if this bit works. Guess it would be nice if, oops. Quote plus y. Paste. There. So ready sleigh and flying sleigh and landed sleigh. Okay, yeah, so this is what we'd have to do. Consider the args of fn status as it was previously. Okay, I'm going to do that. Right, but this is going to be empty. Oh. Empty, ready, or flying, right? That's the type it's going to be. Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know what you're getting at. It's not sinking in. So I could do ready and flying here. And that should pass the test. Ray says, what you want to do becomes possible if you change the args. I won't tell you how yet. So if you move self, it becomes an associated function on type. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. Thank you. So then we could just say impl t status for sleigh t, fn status, self. This one takes a self. Oh, this one doesn't have to. Oh, but no, it does because the API requires it. Okay, self. And this can be static stir. And this returns t status. Oh. Method status has a self-declaration in the trait. Oh. There. Okay, let's try this. Ooh. Oh, it's a private method. Okay, let's fix that. I should have realized when it said it's never used that I should have made it public. I was just going too fast here. So we just need to make this pub. Hey, thank you, Ray. All right. Yeah, so maybe this isn't the answer that they were looking for, but it made sense to me that the tag structs themselves would have the information rather than trying to do a switch on anything. I mean, I had the other one where I import slay empty pub fund status, right? Blah, blah, blah. But that also felt awkward to me. So I'm glad I learned this. Thank you. All right. Submit.